In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Firstly, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security and Lock Screen. Then scroll down, click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Then you need to wait a couple of seconds, read all of those disclaimers and instructions, and hit Next at the bottom. Now just keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Follow all of these instructions presented on your screen. Now apply the best option for notifications on your locked screen by tapping on one of the available ones. I will go with Show Sensitive Content only when unlocked. Then hit Done at the bottom. Over here, you need to select Turn On at the bottom right corner to enable face recognition to unlock your screen. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!